क्वेश्चन नंबर 230। लेट स्लीपिंग डॉग्स। ईडियम है, इसका मतलब है टू अवॉइड रीस्टार्टिंग अ कन्फ्लिक्ट। ये डायरेक्ट एंड डायरेक्ट है। शी सेड गो अप स्टेयर्स। शी टोल्ड मी टू गो अप स्टेयर्स। दिस मर्चेंट डील्स, प्रीपोजिशन है इसमें, इन सिल्क गुड्स। आज़ाद कश्मीर गवर्नमेंट सेट अप ऑन 24 अक्टूबर 1947। हसन बिन साबित का ताल्लुक़ था बनु खिज़रज से। ये 3 कबीले थे मदीना में। सूरतुल अल इमरान में रकू की तादाद है 20। ऐ राहे हक़ के शहीदों, मिली नगमा किसका है? मुशीर काज़मी का। IBRD is another name of World Bank. Cave suiker is a species of frog found in Zimbabwe. Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. International Day Against Nuclear Test 29 August. Meg Bridge 55 km long is in China. Book The Republic written by Plato. Gastric juice acid is hydrochloric acid, HCl acid. Falcon of Undulus Abdurrahman I. Current head of Commonwealth of Nations Charles III. Wazir Mansion is the birthplace of Quaid-e-Azam. Madaris Darul Uloom Maulana Qasim Nanotwi. Indian personality received निशाने पाकिस्तान नरोज देसाई। फर्स्ट क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप 1975 में हुआ। खान की हेडवर्क्स दरियाए चनाब पर है। असगर खान एयर मार्शल बने 1957 में। सुलह हुदैबिया 6 हिजरी में हुआ, जो कि बामुताबिक 628 ईस्वी। डिग्री इज यूज्ड टू मेजर लैटिट्यूड ऑफ अर्थ। Savage Mountain also called the K2. Question number 255. Gerbil is a kind of rodent. Birds of a feather flock together. अहले लाहौर को जिंदा दिलाने लाहौर का लक़ब किसने दिया? सर सैयद अहमद खान ने। History and origin of world is called the etymology. Narayan Middlecourt, a hero of 1956 war, won Sitara-e-Jurrat of Pakistan Air Force, was wing commander. Flying bird of Asia, Abdul Khaliq, who succeeded President of USA John F. Kennedy. L.B. Johnson, father of civil service in Indian Charles Cornwallis. Oregon boundary dispute between USA and Britain. Argentina was colonized in 16th century by Spain. Pakistan Red Crescent Society was formed on 20 दिसंबर 1947. आर्टिस्टिक जिम्नास्टिक वर्ल्ड कप इंटरनेशनल स्केल 1975 में हुआ। लीडो बीच इज इन इटली। People Liberation Army is ascribed to China. Vitamin is essential for the repair of tissue is vitamin C. Gota Canal is situated in Sweden. Muscular and nervous disorder is caused due to the vitamin E. Qiyas mean judging. Ashab-e Kahf belong to Syria. Clique means a group of people. Porsec means dull. Question number 276. Anti-cancer vitamin D. Question number 277. The railway track runs across the river. Constitution of Britain is called the Convention Riding. Gibraltar of the West is Quebec. Pakistan won Cricket World Cup 1992 in Australia from England. Labour Party is a political party of UK. Milk contain water 80%. फुटपाथ की घास written by बानो कुदसिया. चौपाल तहरीर है इंतज़ार हुसैन की. Anna Karenina written by Leo Tolstoy. Folketing is the parliament of Denmark. Pope Francis nationality Argentina. Pope Francis died on 21 अप्रैल 2025. Red Sea is an inlet of the Indian Ocean between Africa and Asia. A trillion has how many zero? 12. Madame Tussauds Museum is in London. Crow Eater written by Betsy Sidawa. House of Lords is the upper house of UK. Plutocracy is such a government runs wealthy class. Separately island is in South China Sea dispute between Vietnam, Malaysia and Philippines. Principia Ithaca wrote by Moore. Napoleon Bonaparte was a French. Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam founded in 1884. Charles Babbage belonged to Britain. Diego Garcia is a military base of USA in Indian Ocean. Simili Dam, question number 300. Simili Dam is built on River Soon. News Agency of Egypt is MENA, MENA. Guantanamo Bay, an American naval base, is in Cuba. मुजद्दिद अल-अफ़सानी का ताल्लुक़ नक्शबंदी सिलसिले से है. स्काउट मूवमेंट स्टार्ट बाई सर रॉबर्ट बेडन पॉल 1910. Aristotle was the teacher of Alexander. Bagram Air Base is in Afghanistan. Ashish Cup of Cricket World Cup played between England and Australia. Amir Tamur invaded India 1398. A Grattal conspiracy was instigated by Mujibur Rahman 1968. Chief of Staff of U.S. Army General Randy A. Courage. Charles de Gaulle Airport is in Paris. Satyagrah started by Gandhi. Lady Finger Peak is in Pakistan. News magazine Time published from USA 1923. Politics Among Nations by Margaretho. Heathrow Airport of London. Gas is used in illuminating is methane. Internet was first developed in 1960. 1 kilometer is equal to 0.62 miles. FIM assassinated book written by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Mount Kinabalu located in Malaysia. Krebs proposal presented in 1942. Christopher Columbus belongs to Italy, discovered America. Plane travels in the stratosphere layer. Question number 324. Ganga plane burnt at Lahore Airport. Iraq occupied Kuwait in August 1990. FATA March Bill was passed in Assembly 24 May 2019. Splitting of moon कहाँ पे हुई? मीना में. बाबा फरीद गंजशकर की वफ़ात 1280 में हुई. Laws about marriage is in Surat An-Nisa. Towards Pakistan book written by Wahiduzzaman. Kanoop is located near Karachi Baleej Beach. Amir Ahmad Raja Sahib of Mahmudabad हैं. Ibn Battuta visit India during Muhammad Tughlaq. Clay court is used in tennis. Libya got independence in 1951. Leadership King Idris. International Day of Person with Disability observed 3 December. World Economic Forum formed in 1971. Head of PACE Dr. Raja Ali Raza Anwar. Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. PACE मतलब. You should refrain preposition from hurting her feelings. Immanuel Kant was a German philosopher. Abdul Rab Nishtar was governor of Punjab. Eiffel Tower built in Paris 1899 1889. Olympic flame was lit for first time 1928. Nadir Shah, king of Persia, conquered Delhi 1739. Sport at first time into Olympic table tennis. Fixed double. Mardan is known for industry of sugar. Who discovered plants have life? J. C. Bose. सीज फायर लाइन कब बनी? कराची एग्रीमेंट के तहत 27 जुलाई 1949 को सीज फायर लाइन। फिर LOC बनी, वो बनी शिमला एग्रीमेंट 1972 में। ताशकंद एग्रीमेंट हुआ 23 सितंबर 1965। लाहौर डिक्लेरेशन हुई 21 फरवरी 1999 में। नवाज शरीफ अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के दरमियान। फीफा वाज established in 21 मई 1904. I intrude upon his privacy. पाकिस्तान स्टील मिल्स 1973 में बनी, सोवियत यूनियन ने बनाई। टू फिश इन ट्रबल वाटर, इडियम है, इसका मतलब है, मफहूम है, टू बेनिफिट फ्राम अदर पीपल्स ट्रबल्स। जिम्बाब्वे क्रिकेट का निकनेम है द शेवरॉन्स। चांद हम असर रिटन बाई अब्दुल खालिक। टोबा टेक सिंह रिटन बाई सादत हुसैन मिंटू। स्वदेशी रेल रिटन बाई शौकत थानवी। अनारकली रिटन बाई इम्तियाज़ अली ताज। बेसिक डेमोक्रेसी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाई अयूब खान। द एशियाटिक सोसाइटी to enhance Oriental research was formed in 1784, written by William Johnson. Question number 61. Persepolis Palace was destroyed by Alexander. Desert is located between Indus and Chenab. Thal Desert. Boxer Rebellion occurred in China. Princeton University of USA. Duma is the parliament of Russia. Prime Minister of Thailand, Paetongtarn Shinawatra. Montusa Island is in Pacific Ocean. To cross sword means to fight. Al-Tibri is the book of history written by Muhammad ibn Jarir al-Tibri. अंजुमन हिमायत इस्लाम के का सदर है खलीफा हमीदुद्दीन। Amnesty International is an NGO. Asia Watch deals with the human rights. Rotterdam is the seaport of Netherlands. FATF founded in 1989. Fast polls held in Kashmir 1951. All parties Hurriyat Conference founded in April